Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study for an AP exam. First, choose an AP subject that genuinely interests you and fits your academic path. Next, thoroughly review the official College Board course description and exam format to understand the content and structure. Then, create a realistic study schedule, aiming for at least 3 to 4 months of preparation. This structured approach will help you cover all necessary material effectively. Once you have your plan, gather your resources. Invest in a high-quality AP review book and an official practice test from the College Board. Supplement these with free online resources such as Khan Academy or educational YouTube channels for additional explanations. Remember to break down complex topics into smaller, manageable study sessions to avoid feeling overwhelmed and to ensure better retention. Consistent practice is key to success. Regularly complete practice questions and full-length practice exams to familiarize yourself with the test format and question types. Crucially, analyze your mistakes thoroughly to understand why you answered incorrectly and identify areas needing more focus. Always simulate exam conditions, including strict timing, for all practice tests to build stamina and reduce test day anxiety. On exam day, ensure you get adequate rest the night before and eat a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain. Arrive at the testing center early with all necessary materials, such as 2 to 3 sharpened pencils and a good eraser. Stay calm, read all instructions carefully, and manage your time wisely during the exam. Remember to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other helpful deals. You've worked hard, so trust your preparation and do your best.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.